October is Manufacturing Month, and Forward Janesville wants to take this opportunity to highlight some of our great local manufacturers and Forward Janesville members. My name is Levi Ames. I'm a senior at Craig High School and an intern at Forward Janesville. We're here today at Prent Corporation, as you can see behind me, which manufactures custom thermal forming packages for medical, electronics, and consumer industries. I'm here today interviewing Tom Schaffner. If you'd like to tell us a little bit about what you do here and your background.
Sure. So I'm born and raised here in Janesville. Interned here back in 2001. They hired me on full-time in 2002, and I am currently our Vice President of Sales.
And can you give me a little bit of background on your business here at Prent Corporation?
Sure. Prent is a manufacturer of plastic packaging. So we specialize in healthcare, electronics, and consumer. Some of the largest companies in the world like Intel, Apple, and Medtronic all purchase from Prent. We're multinational, so we have operations here in Wisconsin, but also Arizona, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica. We're in Denmark, Malaysia, and China as well. So a great company. Manufacturing is the key to our success, producing high-quality precision components.
Today interviewing Tim Weiss. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. Tim Weiss. I've worked here at Prent for about 15 years. It's a great place to work. I started here shortly out of high school. I started as a machine operator. The company's been very good to me. There's plenty of opportunity. It's there for the taking. I was able to work my way up from machine operator to mechanic to lead tech. I ran a mod. It was basically machine operation, but it's more than just pushing buttons, mindless, same work, if you will. There's creativity involved, mechanical aptitude. I really enjoyed the work. You get a lot of fulfillment out of what you do on a daily basis, especially knowing what the end use of the majority of our product is. So I can't speak enough about Prent, really. It's been great to me, and I really welcome everybody to take the same opportunities.
Sounds like a great company. Is there anything particularly notable about your production process, something that makes you stand out in your industry?
Yeah, we're very vertically integrated here at Prent, so we make our own machines. We're able to maintain our own machines. There's quite a few possibilities as far as being on the manufacturing floor working here. One standout portion of our business, I guess, would be our application of technology to the manufacturing process. We're able to automate as much as possible. We're continually improving and pursuing ways to automate every portion of our process, which is really beneficial for everybody involved, especially the end-use customer. We're looking for basically C equals 0 for defect. We don't want any defective parts A being produced or B making it out the door. So we strive to make improvement as far as technology is concerned, and applying that to what we do on a daily basis.
Next question. Part of the reason behind highlighting your business is to show young people in Janesville that there are career opportunities here in our own backyard. As an employer, what skills are you looking for in employees, and what advice would you give to me if I was interested in pursuing a job here at Prent Corporation?
Drive. We're after drive, a willingness to learn, to perform, basically the aptitude to deliver on a daily basis. We invest in what we see is present in the individual. If the right characteristics are there, we're going to do everything we can to grow those characteristics and that individual to help us as a company.
I'm here today interviewing Rachel Andres. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
I'm Rachel Andres. I'm the Executive Vice President at Prent Corporation. I've been here full-time for about 10 years.
And what do you like about your business being in Janesville?
Well, that's easy. It's the community. We employ 700 people between Prent and GoX, and they're all such hardworking, dedicated employees. The community engagement is great in Janesville.
It seems like it. I see employees walking by saying hi, and you know their names, so
Yeah.
It seems like a great company to work for. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.